Eleazar Harash. Contemplation of the Beloved One. When you contemplate your Beloved One, you rediscover yourself continuously. When you contemplate your Beloved One, you are born again constantly. When you contemplate your Beloved One, you are resurrected incessantly. When you contemplate your Beloved One, you begin to live within what is magnificent. When you begin to live within what is magnificent entirely, you are no longer present. Only what is magnificent exists. Only your Beloved One exists. Only love exists. And you thought that you existed. The Beloved One, this is the sacred name of love.